And now a brand new sneak peek from ABC's Desperate Housewives.
You are going to love the sea urchin.
Looks a little sketchy. Most of the fish I eat comes in a basket with fries.
You're funny. And you eat out of a basket. I like that.
Everything okay?
I just thought I saw... Never mind. So, anyway, I thought after dinner we could go to a club. What do you think of jazz?
I think it's the sea urchin of music.
Okay, did you see that?
See what?
It was probably nothing. I thought I saw... Okay, you're just a kid.
What is the matter with you?
I'm so sorry. I don't want you to think I'm odd. You see, when I was a child, there was this incident at the circus. And ever since then, I have always been terrified.
Hey, don't I know you?
Get him away! Get him away! Get him away!
What's wrong?
Is he there with his tiny hands? I can't look at his tiny hands!
ABC's Desperate Housewives. All new Sunday at 9/8 Central on ABC.